Hey, just squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode, we got this crew right here. And pretty much what this is a new product from Laifen. So pretty much what this is a new shaver that I saw that was actually available in the market. So I was actually very curious about it. So let's open this up to take a look and see what we do have here. So once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So they give you guys, they have this razor that you guys can buy that is looks pretty high quality and looks similar to another product that I have from the brand called Panasonic. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when we do try it out. So this one they call the Laifen P3 Pro 3-blade electric razor with linear motor on here, which is pretty neat. So this is pretty much what the packaging looks like when you guys do get it. So let's open this up to take a look and see what the inside looks like here. Peel off this side right here as well. And once you guys do that, this is what the inside looks like here. So it definitely looks like a high quality razor in terms of what you guys do get. And the packaging and everything, when you guys look at it, it kind of looks like you're opening a brand new iPhone or something. Even the cable or the cords on here looks like the iPhone design or something, which is kind of cool. USB-C to USB-C. That way it makes it very portable when you guys are traveling, which is nice. Just use any USB-C cable to plug it in to recharge it. So that's everything that's included inside. And then here we do have the product. So you guys press it on, I think you press on the side right here to activate it and start using it. They have a little cover right here on top for you guys to put on, so that's pretty cool to protect it and make it very travel friendly, which is really nice. And then this is what the top part looks like here. And if you guys want to take it out, it is magnetic design, so very easy for it to take out to use for cleaning and everything, which is nice as it is magnetic design. And I love how they have the design in the front part, so that way you can see what the inside part looks like. And when we do turn it on, it looks like we do have an airplane mode option on here that turns on. So I think you guys might have to deactivate the airplane mode on here, maybe by holding it. Yep. So I think we press and hold it and it turned it off. And then this is what the product looks like when you guys do use that. So press and hold it to lock it to turn on airplane mode, so that way it won't move or turn on. That's pretty cool. And the bottom part right here, they do have the option for it to open up, and that's where you plug in the cable, which is USB-C to recharge it, which is pretty neat. That's pretty much everything on here, but let's plug this in to see how to know when it's charging. So if you guys do plug it in here, it made a little beeping noise, but you can see the front part right here is blinking. That's pretty much how you guys know when it's charging, and I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the light should turn off or stays on. And that's pretty much everything in terms of what you guys do get. If you guys try to use the product while it's charging, it will not work. It does have to be unplugged in order for you to use it. That's pretty much everything in terms of what you guys get here for the product. Really cool in terms of what you guys do get. Very excited to try this out and see how it does work. I think I might wait a day or so before I actually try it out to shave. Maybe I'll wait till tomorrow morning and see if it grows longer. If it grows longer, then I can shave it. But that's everything for now to showcase what you guys do get for this product here. I'll probably just wait a day or so and then turn it on to see how it works when we do actually use it. Because right now, I think if I wait like 1 or 2 days, then it probably will grow a little bit more. But that's everything for now in terms of what you guys get for this product here, you can see. Alright, so you see this is what the product looks like right now, or what my hair looks like right now when I do leave it for a few days without shaving it. So I'm going to use it and shave a little bit so you guys can see how well the unit works on here when you guys use it. If it works well, then it's really nice to use it when we do travel. Everything else do after this point will be from the product here, and we'll do the quick waterproof test later on as well to see when that's waterproof or not when we do use it. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on and we're going to give it a try and shave this part right here and show you guys what it looks like when we do use it. Alright, so you see this is what the result looks like right there. Hopefully in the video you can see it. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. So this is what it looks like after using the product here. Feels pretty smooth, works pretty well. The button is a little bit sensitive, so when you guys do press it, you do want to be careful. Don't press too hard, but it does work if you can see. So the unit definitely works pretty well, and it has a pretty clean shave when you guys do use it. So this is pretty much what the result looks like here. I'm going to continue finish shaving the rest, but based on what we can see right now, the product seems like it works pretty well in terms of the unit itself. It just took a little bit more effort to kind of like go up and down a few times, but it does work, which is really nice, and it is waterproof as well, water resistant. So we're gonna try out the product and show you guys how it's waterproof or not. Alright, so right here we do have the Laifen one here, so you guys can remove it to wash it because it is fully waterproof, so you don't have to worry about that, which is pretty awesome. So take it out just like that if you guys do want. Run in water like this, no issue, no problem. If you guys want to add soap, you guys can. Stick it back together like that, turn it on, still works. Make sure the bottom part is fully sealed. But the product itself definitely it is waterproof, so If you guys want to wash it, makes it very easy for you to wash it. Add some soap in the middle part right there if you guys do want. Check out the extra water if you guys want, but it definitely does work for the unit, which is pretty awesome. So it makes it very easy for you guys to clean the product when you guys do use it each time, which is really awesome. I love how it actually has the airplane mode on here as well, so you guys can lock it and it won't be turned on unless if you guys press and hold the button on the side. But yeah, that's pretty much everything on this unit here. So pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, I think it's actually pretty worth it, but I feel like there is better options available out there, which you guys will see in my other video. But this product right here, it is pretty worth it. Very nice design in terms of what you do get, and it does its job, but just not as good compared to some other shavers out there in the market today. And then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or have no use for one of these, then obviously save your money for something else that you do need.